Yes, we're nearby. So from here, from Moran Bay now, how do we get to your place? You have no space? No, yesterday you said, I told you I'm coming. But the place gone? No, you're joking. See, you serious? Ah, you're joking. All right, I'm on my way. People, I don't know how I just did this corner and bring the car in here. I'm sweating. That was too much. How the hell I'm gonna come out here tomorrow? I didn't even know how. Anyway, I made it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna come out with this car tomorrow though. Anyway, let's go and say hi. Go back. The dog.
Get away.
Dog.
Them born right on the full moon, you know. So they're strong, you know. Born on full moon, they ain't no good.
So when you born?
That's true, you know. That is where the term lunatic come from, you know. Luna mean moon.
Luna mean moon. Lunatic.
People assuming that you have madness in the moon.
Cause you know, when you trying to catch full moon and new moon, it's mad.
Them say that is where the term lunatic come from.
Lunatic.
I'm not lying. If you Google
Yeah.
in full moon, people lose their mind. Them say.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
I it wasn't full moon when I born.
No, I don't know. You're not born on daytime still.
How about you on a full moon?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, I don't born on a full moon, so no one know when them born, you know. No, so we don't know, so we come. You know?
We come, yeah. And we can't go back.
And in a heavy moon, you know.
What is eyebrow cut? Oh, it's an ear.
Yeah, when
They don't have type of thing there in Ras. It's a very rural thing.
Yeah. We say we're coming for the rural experience. Just stick for this. Alright. Good morning.
Ras. It's actually a Ras. It have AC.
Where's the AC? Oh, that's too funny. Oh my.
so you try me sometime, you know. Let me take this time.
Yeah.
Everything gets hooked up. I'm on in early. That's why we keep the water inside.
Oh. Yes, but there's a river, so
Yeah,
in any case we can go to the river.
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah, man. Yeah.
Stop playing with them.
I don't believe you.
Alright, just switch with this.
Alright.
Oh, then. People.
I don't know.
Sweet potato. Yeah, cool.
That is cocoa.
Yeah, man.
I make pudding.
Carly, see how it goes?
What? Yeah, man, I learn from Ras.
That car machine there, you know. Yeah, man, the white man park a car.
Somebody put away here.
Yeah.
But are you first day me to that?
Float.
One. Two, come on. Yeah. Watch out. Oh, for your team, come on. Come on. Them two.
Them ripe? Oh, you know them ripe?
Them black.
I saw it.
Me I try though. Oh my god, they dropped in my head. Oh,
It mash up.
nope. That's not that.
This one mash up, yes?
Hush.
Have them.
So when I put the come on.
But, oh.
Nice, I come on.
Nice, yes.
Alright. Just follow Ratty. Oh man. Ooh. Yeah. Dying to go into the water. But it's better than down there, definitely. I like it. Big swimmer. Yes, people.
My turn. My turn.
Ratty. Nice soup we get. Rich with okra,
Yeah.
beans. Nice. Soup there. Yes.
But you take time put it back in there.
Oh.
And move to the. So everybody has hey, Mokko with the bus, with the bus. Sometimes I just walk over me, I go sometime, you know, I can't drive bus.
Well, I'm not surprised after all that driving up that road. I would leave it as well. People, that road, I don't know how I made it.
I know.
No.
But enough people driving car corner.
Yeah.
Since it make there.
Really?
That me I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Even this
I
week-
struggle so much. I was
Even
like,
this
I
week-
wonder if Ratty is joking with me.
No, man. People come on here, I tell you. When I go out watch you as a day and come back, I see car in the little chapel.
But maybe on little car, like I want a Swift.
Man,
No,
big car
a big
too.
car. Table nice. I like the. Jessica, you're boring. Everybody says that. Oh, sorry. Thank you. You pick it? No.
I retreat to prospect.
Oh, that's a nice one. East Indian. Here, St. Thomas have the best East Indian mango.
Come on, mango.
Yes. All right, people. Oh my God. And this is not mango. Dinner is served. All right.
Oh yeah, that's great. Oh yeah. Big difference. Oh.
No, I just want to show you.
That. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Turn it now. I have, well, because it's stringy.
I'm gonna make a mess
No
regardless.
soy, right?
Good, man.
look at Ratty, impressed. I'm gonna try that now.
So you can eat nice and clean. Like, I thought it's chicken. Osh, disappointment. Good morning. Morning, people. It's 6 o'clock and the guy came to move my car. And I'm very happy about this because what a piece of drama when I came down yesterday. You good? it's gone. Gone out of the window. Down the river.
Look like, where did it from?
Right there.
Where the pool is?
But the size and the shape.
Yeah, big woman here and small one.
Oh.
Look like big. You have big somebody
Yeah.
and little somebody.
And it was on. Very near. Oh, saltfish. Oh, nice. Tour guide.
That is how you make it hot chocolate from this?
No.
No, use chocolate balls.
Oh.
But the chocolate balls is what made this.
I make from that. Yeah.
So this is basically the fruit.
Love me some chocolate. Cocoa.
Okay.
What? The chocolate?
Yes, guys.
Which one?
Yeah. Suck it, but not throw it.
No.
Hydrolita.
You need me go there?
I go to that. That's the thing, all the way down.
I'm there, Auntie. Where Auntie now?
Come on, stop saying that, man.
They can boil them on them and too. Then
Right.
get them easy.
Dish.
Yeah, crush them. And mix them with saltfish.
I never had that.
Them taste nice, man.
It is nice.
Yeah, man. And because little bitfish like,
Pitrish.
but they're really good and they make eat a lot of food, so hope me happy.
Susumba. It's a big tree.
Yeah, man. It's in the garden, you know.
See guys, that's the chocolate.
Ball,
The chocolate ball, right. So the fruit we had. Eventually you mix this. And then you get the chocolate too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's really like a rock.
Like a rock.
You like some chocolate?
Mmm, smells so good. I like his head mark, the brown.
2 piece.
Yeah.
2 piece.
What?
Oh, good.
It can like 2 mark on the 2 piece.
Right.
Think so.
What is it now?
It sings. It sings like a rock. It doesn't flow.
Put that. Put that next one. Got it.
I've been there, cinnamon leaf.
Yeah, man.
Oh wow.
See? Then I heard Callaloo.
Then I forget seed, Grandpa.
Callaloo?
I almost get seed.
Callaloo. And this is no fertilizer. Yeah?
No fertilizer.
No,
Natural. I love callaloo.
Take away here. Do it like this. And then after I send it.
That will make nice tea too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I will try. A good time now, we'll try it and try to plant now.
Yeah.
Anyway, hole in a people's head and
Guys, you see that?
your
I
belly,
put the bag over
your
the puppy
belly,
and
your
I bite
belly,
up the bag.
your stomach not feel good. Yeah, you just check with that, man.
Black mint. Yeah.
A black mint, you know.
Morning.
One day we always climb me attack, you know. And then one day I climb me attack, you know, and I find a one. Remember the one where we take up the day, man? Down there where we got down next week, man, right there, so we not beat, man, the final leave one, man. Find out. Oh.
We're here in the bush, finding more bush.
We're in the farm, you know?
Right, on the farm.
Slow farming. No fertilizer.
No fertilizer, people. Yes. Alright. The drop. Oh, that's your favorite plant here.
We just not them.
You just plant them. Yeah, man. Some people just like to put them and send it nice. But you can't give it anything. Because I hear like some.
That's the one you swallow?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you can bite it.
Don't take up all the thing. I'll take up the shot before I take up all of the red thing.
Like medicine.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
All the time.
Eat it though.
Not just so like.
You know, I'm do that. One.
No, it's good for you.
So, just the red part? Or is it?
Yeah, the red.
One step I take.
Yeah.
What it do?
Let's put lemon
It's
down.
good for your system. Just swallow it. Don't bite it.
No bite it, you know. Let's put-
Yeah, like a pill. Bush pill.
do that all the time.
Bite it is spicy. And that is hot like.
Looking for some bush. I have a eczema here, and he said he has a bush for it. So we're looking for it. Isn't that cool? So nice. Yeah. So we're here in the farm. River right here. Here. And here. Oh, right. This one.
Yep, that's a cassava. And this is one more. Look, that's a big one. That one, big one.
Oh.
Cassava. Yep. If you plant this right now,
Yeah.
they chop out this and plant.
Yeah.
2 months time you have one of these.
You have one of these.
Yep, ready.
That was the cassava root. Yeah.
Cassava, yeah. That's
Cassava.
Cassava. Ah.
Cassava.
More person.
I think like Dominicans love it. Dominican and Cuban people.
Mm.
Them love it. Man, make plenty thing with it, man. Them boil it like
I only
green
know
banana.
Bami. Oh yeah?
Them boil it and eat it, yeah?
Up here, no?
Off here.
So you take
Not
with me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
They want cassava.
Oh, okay.
Big calabash.
Oh.
And then we're gonna lift this up with one
A
hand.
good big soup bowl.
Whoa, yes. See that, Kobe? We're gonna lift this up with one hand.
So what do you do with this?
Go eat it.
Cow
And go.
and goat? You eat it too?
Kobe, I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna squirt.
You ever try?
No, you cannot eat it.
You ever try? Try
No,
eat
no,
it.
no, no, no. I'm not eating
Take a
it.
spoon
No.
for
You
breakfast.
see if a joke I'm making. I'm not eating it. It's you eating it. Not me.
This is huge.
It's heavy.
Spoon and dig them up. Throw them in the pot. Oh. But I tried to get the claw ones. See those claws?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, they're tough. See, they stick
So what are you
together.
gonna do with that now?
When Grandpa done, fry the breadfruit, I'm just gonna throw them in the pot and cook them out.
Like what, soup or fry them or
Fry them, eat them.
fry them? Fry shrimp, fry janga.
See, I tried
So
to
when you catch them, yesterday
yesterday,
or day before yesterday?
day before yesterday, and yesterday. Oh my god. See? After you put hand in there, they go really hot like this. And pink. What's wrong with him?
No one get fucking on.
Nothing, drop it.
At this highway right here, yo, you know?
Yeah, listen. I need them to sit.
Too much blood clots that one have to go do.
I need them just to sit.
That's the one you roast last night?
Yeah, man.
So roast fry.
Roast fry. Well, some people like it. No, some people like when it roast like this.
Yeah.
You know? But that one here, a different breadfruit. You know?
Oh.
Maca that one here, man. You hear what name? Maca breadfruit. You don't say it look like jackfruit.
Yeah.
So you have a winner after for jackfruit. You? Some people fry breadfruit, but them fry too fish, you know. Fish.
The battery is dead in.
Yeah, it's dying.
Hi.
We're eating this breadfruit before breakfast.
In a ton.
Ready? This is mine? Yes, so hungry. All right. You have ackee. Dog, tap and eyes. I'm videoing.
Justin Bieber.
Burn your tongue with this. Yes, people, just here chilling, eating fruits all day. So good. Good morning, people. Yes, and we're here. It is so cool. Like, I'm just forgetting time and everything. Like, I'm just chilling, not thinking of not even vlogging. I'm like, girl, you should be vlogging here. And I don't know, I'm just chilling. Anyway, running out of time, of course, because curfew again. And I think the idea would be going back to Kingston today. Even though the temptation is here actually to stay another night and just enjoy nature. Yes, it's just amazing. So chill, so beautiful. So relaxing, and I just had all these plans and now it's day done and I have to go back. But first I'm gonna go for a swim in a nice cool river because I'm hot. I need to cool off. Yes, beautiful. Oh man. I'm not coming out. No, can enjoy this. This is so beautiful. I don't even want to go back. I just want to stay here. Next time I'm coming, I stay at least 3 nights. Yes, guys, definitely worth spending a couple of nights to really get the full niceness of this place, because there are way more hikes you can do, go further up the river and explore the farm. So there's so much more you can actually do up here and enjoy and just be and relax and be disconnected from internet. Yes, to be pushed on the swing all day. Ratty's going to give me a heart attack. Watch your step. No?
No, then don't do it with us.
I don't want the first.
got you. I did something.
But you have to jump far out. You can do it.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Almost. That was a good start. Yeah.
A doggy pad. The butterfly? Well, that's not a butterfly. What is this called? I do remember. Do it at the same time, and when you bring this in, you have to kick in your foot, tuck in your foot and bring it in.
Oh my gosh, I can stand over here.
Alright. hold him quick, I want to show him the leg work.
And hold on.
Wait on me. Thank you. I start show Ratty how to swim, but we need some more lessons. Kind of a little deep where the swing is.
Oh, not
Yeah, pass unruly,
and
there's a swing there. Yeah.
Yeah, man. But then jump off in that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I first you go there?
No, we went there yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, next time, man.
Ratty?
Yeah.
Next time we continue our swimming lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the more practice, the better it gets.
Everything you have to take, you want to get good at, you have to keep.
Big up yourself. Until next time.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, man. Bless up. I'll be back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. Big up yourself. Doggy, big up yourself too. Hey guys, and this was another. Was it an adventure? No. I was just chilling, so that's why this vlog is a little short, but it was just amazing, and I just always forgot to take out the camera or didn't felt for to take out the camera because I just was chilling and we were just holding a vibe and we were reasoning, and it was just really cool up here in the bushes. So thanks for watching, and I actually have to come back here and spend some more time. Yes, and then I can also vlog a little more. So that was definitely way too short. There are some other hikes I want to do and go up to the farm and all this stuff. So guys, stay tuned for the next video up here with Ras Mokko.